Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Today I'm doing an unboxing from your creative studio. I will leave the link down below in the description box if you wanted to have a look. I can't wait to see what's in this box. Let's dive in. I got a little note from Amanda, and this is definitely going to go in my junk journal. Alright, so let's have a look what's in here. I'm going to take everything out and then we'll go through each of the pieces together. Oh my goodness, look at all of these beautiful goodies. I don't even know where to start. So this, I'm going to start here, I guess. Let's see, what is this? Oh wow, look at this. So these are all, there's 30 pieces of these little vellum flower cards, I guess, or what would you call them? I'm not sure. I'm not very good with names. Look at this. Oh my goodness, amazing. It can be like a little overlay on tags and things like that. Beautiful images, absolutely gorgeous. Next, I'm going to go over here. So these are, I think, like little sticky notes. Let's have a look. Yep, they're little sticky notes. Beautiful. So this is, I think this one's vintage travel sticky notes. Beautiful. Look at this. There's so many. What's this? Flower memory. It's a little notepad. Look at it. And it's got like that little effect of almost being tea dyed. And they are perforated in the middle. So it's actually two little notes. Look. Gorgeous. And these ones at the back are darker. Look at it. Beautiful. And then this one again, sticky notes. Vintage travel sticky notes. So these ones go together. Cute. So many things I can do with that. Okay, what's this? It's so exciting having something to look forward to each month. And, you know, getting the box and opening it up. It's a little stamp. Is it a little tab? I think it might be a tab stamp. So many uses. It can be a tab stamp or a little even book plate. That's probably what I would use it for. Okay, what's this one? Ooh. Nice. A wooden rubber stamp. I use a lot of these in my journals for covers and for like on pages for headings of a page or something like that. And then there's some what are they called? Mulberry paper maybe, or it's like a handmade type paper. I love paper, as you know. Never too much paper. Next, it says masking tape. Let's open it up. Washi tape. It's called masking tape, but it's washi tape. Let's see. Very nice. Look. For page edges and to use in collaging and things like that. And then the next thing. This is so exciting. Not knowing what's going to be in there. Oh, let me see what this is. It's a little booklet of It says here at the front, and they all say the same thing. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. By Buddha. Quote by Buddha. And this is also perforated. So, let's see. There's lots of those. And then this. Like to put in little pockets or to sew on tags, glue on tags using collage. There's so many in this booklet. Next up we have got, I think these are vellum type stickers. Let's open it up and have a look. I love these types of stickers because I like to use them on vellum and they kind of see through, so they look good on book pages as well, in journals. When I use baking paper, I like to glue some of these on the baking paper in my journals just for a little bit of interest. It doesn't say how many in here, but there's quite a bit. It will be so exciting to receive a box every month, and they are all themed from what I understand. I think this is a vintage theme box, flower vintage theme. I'm not entirely sure, but it's so exciting waiting for the mail and then getting your little box of goodies, having a cup of coffee, cup of tea, and just having a look at what you got. Okay, these are little tags with some quotes, or like, I wouldn't call them tags actually because they're on a paper. Beautiful flowers. Look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is some beautiful stuff. I'm so excited to have a play with this stuff. There's so many and so many different ones. Very nice. Oh, look at this. I almost don't want to open it up. They look like dried flowers. These are real dried flowers. And you know what? I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to leave it in this baggie, and I'm going to use it in my journal just as it is, I think. Then there's also a sticker little page with all of these different flower stickers. I love stickers. I have a whole box of stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and try out the stamps because I'm really excited about that, and maybe do something in my junk journal with these things. Let's have a look what we can do. I'll do something with these. Maybe I can have that there, and then some sticky notes down the bottom. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm just going to add a bit of extra glue. Oh, I think I've overdone it there a bit. I'll leave that as it is for now, and I'll come back and write on there. This is all travel themed, and I personally don't like to travel, so perhaps I should question my beliefs. Anyway, I had a really cool idea for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I am going to glue it onto some cardstock. This is from a cereal box. And then I'm going to use a little bit of contact paper. This is just a scrap piece. So I have laminated these types of things in the past, but that would probably be a better option, but I don't feel like getting my laminator out, so I'm just doing it this way. And now I'm going to cut it out and just ink around just to kind of seal that edge, I guess, from both sides to give it more of a finished look. I was going to back two together, one at the front, one at the back, but they're not perfectly centered, so it doesn't correspond, you see, these two bits. So I'm just doing it this way. And now I'm going to shake the camera a little bit, bring this back up. I'm just going to poke a hole right in the middle, or even better, have a little eyelet there, but I just don't want to get all the stuff out at the moment. So I'm going to make a little charm this way. I can always come back to this when my eyelet stuff is out, and make a little, put a little eyelet there just so it looks more finished, I guess. But for now, let's see, I can just hang it onto a little tab. There's plenty of little tabs around, but I'm seeing this one and it's calling me, so I'm going to pop it here, just like that. I like it. Perfect. I want to try these stamps, so I'm just using a scrap piece of paper, and my ink pad is on its way out, so I don't know if this is going to work, but let's try it. It is on its way out. I think I need a darker one. This one is not on its way out, but it's black. It will just have to do. I prefer brown, but doesn't matter. Beautiful. And I'm going to try this one. I'm going to use it in my journal. Okay, let's pop them in. I'm going to use some of the other things as well. I'll see what calls to me. Okay, I'm probably not using this one right, but it can be a little tag like this. I like it. I'm going to use it there. That's the idea, is to play around and have fun. Okay, let's add some more goodies. I'm going to pop this one there. Nice. Maybe I'll use one of these stickers on these pages too. I think I'll get the black one. I guess my issue with this sort of stuff is I don't want to use things up. I feel bad using these. I just want to hoard them. That's always an issue. I know I've spoken about that before. I don't know. Beautiful. I love how it's see-through. These ones will look great on book pages, like this type of thing. Okay, let's see what else. I really want to pop this one in somewhere, so I'm going to find a spot for it. I'm going to leave it in that plastic bag. Maybe it can go in a pocket, something like this, but I want it to be visible, so let's find a page. Maybe in here. And then, you know, I can always journal at the back here. Should I take it out of the bag? I can take it out of the bag later, I guess. But I like it just the way it is. And I want to put this somewhere in my journal. Yeah, I'm going to have that in there. And I don't want to glue it down because there's a little note for me at the back. This one, maybe up the top. I'm just checking if maybe I want something else. This is great for collaging. I like the stamp because you can use it over and over again. And it doesn't, you know, you can just stamp it obviously directly onto paper. And then I'm going to use this little sticker. And they're actually also see-through, but maybe I'll put it down here like that. Perfect. And I'm being called to using a little butterfly flying around the flowers, just like that. Excellent. Now I want to write a little something here, so I'm just going to use this quote. I like it. So many different little goodies in here, and I can play around with it all day long. And I really love all of the different things that I can include in my junk journal, in my planners, etc. I'm really excited about using it. Subscription boxes are so much fun. It's like a gift that you give to yourself. Perfect for, you know, a birthday gift for yourself or for others, especially, you know, people that are like you and are into planning or paper crafts, junk journaling, scrapbooking. This is, I think, a perfect gift. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you will head on over to your creative studio and see if you're interested. And thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.